Welcome to Two Drinks with Teggy, my bartending vlog hosted by Teggy's Bartending. So the idea is I'll be teaching you guys how to make 2 drinks and a shooter before the end of the shoot. For the first drink today, we're gonna start off by learning how to make the ShoeMaker. It's an Irish whiskey based drink, and I'm excited to teach you guys. And I'll just hop right into it. Alright, so start off by getting some ice in your shaker. Actually, no, I got that wrong. We're not going to start with getting ice in the shaker. We'll start off by putting some berries in there, some raspberries. So we'll start off by putting some raspberries in there. And then you want to add some simple syrup. And I'll be using this to measure an ounce of simple syrup. And then you want to get an ounce of some sherry in there as well. Also, you want to add a dash of orange bitters, or 2 dashes, depending on how much orange flavor you're trying to get out of that. And lastly, you throw a slice of orange in there, and you want to muddle the ingredients too. Make sure you muddle it right. You know, you want to get all those juices going together. And then you add some ice in there. And finally, you add 2 ounces of whiskey. Close that. Shake as hard as you can for like 10 seconds. Keep shaking. Oops. And then you serve it up in a lowball glass with some crushed ice. And you want to make sure you double strain this. So you use a strainer and an additional one. Alright, and then finally you obviously want to make your drinks look pretty. Add your garnish. You're supposed to use mint, but the store didn't have mint, so we're using rosemary instead. And then garnish with some raspberries. And there you go. You have it, the ShoeMaker. All right, awesome. So we have the ShoeMaker, and I'm gonna have my buddy Zach. Hey Zach, give it a try and let us know what he thinks of this beautiful whiskey drink.
I concur.
Okay, let's go. ShoeMaker, everybody. I'll have the ingredients down in the comment section.
I'm just gonna take the rest of this.
Yeah, for sure, man. You can have it all.